Colombia, a little Chile action, Australia, New Zealand, all those great
So
places.
yeah, in temperate rainforests, there's a lot of threats, deforestation. The station, yeah, gun down our friends. Acid rain, that's a big problem. So some plants. You got coniferous trees, maples, some deciduous trees, some oak trees. Some basically all your trees. We got them. We got them in temperate rainforests. There's a lot of rain. You get it's pretty moist in temperate rainforests. You get real wet and yeah, a lot of rain. Not a lot of sunlight. Too. It's not sunny. It's dark and wet.
Alright, predators, we just saw one run by. We got some coyotes, mountain lions, bobcats, sometimes you see one of those run through.
Well, temperate rainforests are a great place to live. And just bring your raincoats because it's gonna get wet.